Each semester we have the previous semester's Canvas sites copied, and there's some work you have to do on the new one to get it to be correct. So you can see here, this is the new one, the 2020 Spring B online course, and it's got some announcements from the previous semester, so I'm going to have to get rid of those. But what I really want to show you is how you can check for links that don't work. For an example, I have a schedule page that I create as a page using the pages in Canvas, and then I add a link to that page from this link right here. So if I click this, you'll see that it changes to the fall semester, which is not what I want. I would have to go in there and change that link. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So in any case, so here we go. I need to check for links like that don't exactly work right. We'll also, I need to check for links to things that are not valid anymore. The way you can do that is to use the validator that comes with Canvas. To get to the link validator, go down here to your settings link, and then you'll see over here on the right, the last link here is validate links in content. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to go ahead and click the start link validator, and sometimes this takes a second or two. That took actually about a minute or so, so don't panic if it doesn't come right up. And here now you can see right here on the home page that I've created, which had that graphic on it with the, I think it was some page, like it looked like a desktop or something like that. I can't remember now. But in that, there are several links in that little graphic I have on the home page that the links are broken. Now, I'm pretty sure all of these probably link to the previous site. And the reason why I think that is because it says it is not accessible to students in this course. That means even though if I clicked on it as the instructor, it would take me to the previous semester's page. Students weren't enrolled in that previous semester, so they would get an error page. So I would need to fix those three. And then here, this one is another one that was inaccessible. Now here's a cool thing. I can go fix all those things. I can come back and do this link validation again to make sure that I fixed the things that I needed to fix.